this is just a test. Just using the Insta360 One X along with for audio, recording my voice and what have you. I've just got a Purple Panda microphone, which I've got plugged into my phone, which is a Samsung, and I'm using the Samsung voice recorder just to record the audio. So I just really want to see how this goes, really. Obviously I need to sync them up at the or when I in post-production, that's what I'm trying to say. So like I say, it's going to be a very quick video. Even if I post this, I don't know if I'll post it yet. Depends on how it goes, you know what I mean. Did I see a car coming there? Yes I did. That's very kind of you, mate. So yeah, it's just like I say, just a test really. I just wanted to see how it went, because I'm liking the Insta360, or the One X should I say, a lot. So I'm just wanting to, I'm thinking that I might just use that. Don't get us wrong, it's nice to have a third person, well, a first person view in these videos, but you know, the quality of the video in this is just, on the One X, is just superb, like. So we'll see how it goes. Oh my god, them clouds are looking threatening. Thankfully we're not heading that way. But yeah, but from the audio standpoint, I just wanted to see what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to buy some sort of audio recorder and stick it to the back of my helmet. I'm just having a look to see if there's any available that you can stick an external microphone to, you know, especially with TRRS jack plug socket for the microphone. With regards to the microphone, I've just stuck it in exactly the same place as I've always, I've recently had it, which is in the cheek pad of my helmet. So there will be a little bit of wind noise. I haven't got a dead cat on it or anything like that, you know, because there's loads of foam around it, obviously, with the cheek pad, so hopefully there won't be too much wind noise. Obviously you'll get a bit of wind noise off the side of the helmet, but I'm not too bothered about that. As long as you can hear my voice, you can hear the motorbike as well. You know, people like to hear the motorbikes and stuff, so yeah. And as you can probably see, I've got the camera facing the right way. There's I've got a battery attached to me camera, an external battery. I don't need that today, I'm just making sure that works okay and how it looks in the picture. So hopefully everything will be tickety-boo. Had the bike serviced the other day, everything's good on that. I need a back tyre though. The previous owner, I don't know if he's been doing loads of motorway miles or whether he's been doing burnouts or what, but it's quite flattened off. So I want to get a new tyre for that. That'll be 108 quid including the fitting, which isn't too bad. Not that I'm getting the greatest tyre of all time, but it's a Dunlop, the same as the front. cloudy this morning. So that'll do pretty much as a test. What I'm going to do when I turn off this road here is I'm going to pick my horn 3 times again, which I did at the start of the video, which you won't be seeing, but just to see that the audio is recording kind of at the same rate as the audio on the camera is recording, you know what I mean. But yeah, the 3X, I'm really enjoying it. The stabilisation and all that is just out of this world, you know what I mean. Plus it's actually quite nice not to have loads of paraphernalia bloody hanging off your helmet. You know, of course I can get loads of views with the 360. So anyway, if you've been watching, I hope you've enjoyed this. Like I say, it's just a quick video, just to test this setup. Here's an idiot coming behind us like a fucking nutter. Sort yourself out, van driver. So I'll see you next time, and I'm just gonna do my horn thing. There we go. So take care everybody, and we'll see you next time.